Oh, I just woke up in the morning and maybe as a lot of you guys, I just saw this ugly guy in the mirror and I mean, he looked like a little older than I am. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove 10 years in 10 minutes. First of all, just to start, I'm gonna put my hair back to be able to work with my beard. Just real quick. Oh. Next step is the face wash, and how to do it properly, you need to check this video. Alright, I just wash my face and wash my beard, and you may already see that I missed a few years. Now the next step, and the main step, you're here. I'm gonna do the beard style. I didn't decide what I want, but I think I'll just remove a lot of beard and remove a lot of years as well. So I took my trimmer and I put it on a 2mm, and I'm gonna do the mustache. I'm gonna finally remove it. Look at this. Now this is only the old dudes do. Not me and not you. Let's remove it. So the next step is the side beard, and as usually I'm going to do it for a 6mm with the same trimmer and the same stuff here. So what you say? A few years more or less? A few years less? So the main beard was a little triangle shape. So I'm gonna remove a little less from the side. So let's start with 7mm, this part and this part. Okay, now you got the ugly goatee beard. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this part here with like 9mm, and then manually I'm gonna make the proper shape of the whole down part of the beard. Well, it's like this. I think I'm getting younger. It's not the hottest part, and I'm gonna do, as I told you, I'm gonna do without just a trimmer, without nothing, and my skills. I'm gonna make the proper nice lines here, and with this part, I'm gonna do the triangle shape, but not as ugly as this right now. Let's see. I remove little hairs. What is it right now? I mean, I definitely look a little younger. Yeah, so the next step, I'm gonna remove this part from the hair and this side. You may say I have a little too much gray hairs, but let's try to remove it. Now, we are almost done. I'm gonna do the details. So I put a smaller trimmer and I'm gonna do a little lines here and remove these parts. Line here. Alright guys, so it looks like it's going to be the last step. I'm going to remove this, the previous trimmer, and I'm going to put, I call it the razor, so it's completely removed the hair, and I'm going to remove it all the way here and here and here. Final step. And the last point is, I'm gonna wash my face again and make a little accurate hair. And there you have it. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely lose some years, and I hope it looks like I'm lasted 10 years. Oh, hey man, that's a much better right now. That's much better. You look like much younger. There you go guys, and now you know how to remove a 10 years in 10 minutes. The last thing I'm gonna ask you is to comment down below how old I am, at least right now, or how old I was in the beginning of the video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, and a real quick bonus for you guys who's still watching this video. Usually in the end of my video I always suggest some fragrances, and this one, when you last a lot of years and you look so young and fresh and clean, what you're gonna use, of course, is the Nautica Voyage, one of the best on the planet, the fresh and clean shower gel top of the fragrance. And the big bonus is extremely affordable. This is why it's still a #1 top seller in the fragrance category on Amazon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, you're ready to go.